Hello everybody and welcome to the Ship Modelers Library. Today I want to show you a small book filled with interesting information and drawings. Hudson River Sloops was created by the Volunteer Publications Committee of Hudson River Sloop Restoration. The book is based on research from the Dusty Library's records and the knowledge and discussions of the organization's members. In 1966, a group of sailing enthusiasts who loved the Hudson River come up with the ambitious idea to build a full-size replica of a traditional Hudson River cargo sloop. 3 years later, they launched the beautiful sloop Clearwater, bringing a piece of the river's maritime history back to life. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.